We recently did a video challenging the widely held beliefs held by a lot of self-defense experts around why you shouldn't use punching in a street fight. And hopefully in that video we convinced you that actually punching is great for street fighting. It could be the best thing that you could possibly do. So in this video we're going to show you what we think are the 5 best punches that you can actually use for self-defense. We're going to explain to you why we think they're the best, and also we're going to show you the best situations in which to use each punch.
Okay, to start with, if I'm in the typical fighting stance, okay, and I'm, again, de-escalation, awareness, everything else fail, and I'm not gonna try to compete in a boxing bare knuckle bout, because if he's stronger and bigger than me, probably he's gonna win. And if I have to do it, I'm gonna choose smart options. My first option is gonna be to do this, corkscrew, they call it in English, okay? Roscachapa in Spanish, the same idea, screwdriver, okay? So I can turn, thumbs down, or thumb up, I don't care. But bam, bam, through the guard, quickly, fast, bam, thumbs up, stronger, bam, thumbs down, either to the chin, bam, or to the neck, bam. If my opponent, I'm the same, fighting stance, but he has a more close guard, okay, or he's more side on, okay, so then what I'm going to do is trying to go there, without breaking my hand, I'm going to try to go to the temple or to the ears, okay? Remember the balance of the human body is in the eardrum, okay? So I'm going to, bam, targeting, I'm going to twist my hand and I'm going to try to hit with these knuckles. I'm going to go there, clack, putting my body weight in there. What we call in Spanish a swing, or in English an overhand, bam, okay? So especially he has a low guard, the boom, okay, there, putting all my body weight, okay? It's not exactly a haymaker or a typical windmilling that you see the drunken hooligans. What I'm going to do is more clack. The moment he comes to clinching distance, I start to punch him to get the distance, okay? I need to punch a lot. So if he comes to the, I need to punch a lot until I got the distance to do other things, okay? If, on the contrary, my opponent is dominating the long range, for instance, Ryan is a black belt in Taekwondo, and he's kicking me, so I mean, he's dominated my long range, my only option is to go inside, but I'm not a great grappler. I don't know how to do grappling very well, my jiu-jitsu and my judo sucks. So I have basically one lucky shot to win this fight, okay? So he's dominating, black belt, Taekwondo, I need to go inside, boom, I need to punch. The problem is, if I punch here, probably it's not gonna be enough. I'm not a powerful person, and probably he's gonna be strong enough. What I'm going to do, going down and boom! Probably, if it doesn't work to the first one, I need to keep insisting. Grab the back and keep on punching there. To finish with preemption. Before the fight even started, 1-2 seconds before it's starting, I'm going to do something that it worked for me quite a few times in my life. And it's great, because you avoid the fight before it starts with minimum violence. So you have the typical person trying to challenge you. Okay, what I do? Oh! Okay, in this case, in reality, there are 2 options. One is palm, or even better, okay, like a blade. That's great, honestly, even there, clack, like a knife, clack, to the groin or the palm, bam. Okay, so if you have someone kicking off and he's gonna, so the fight is coming in 2 seconds, come to you, just clack. Okay, just, no, leave me alone, boom. Happy? Okay?
You?
Yes, very.
Oh, leave me alone, leave me alone. Make sure you check out the video that we've just posted up about why punching for self-defense is actually a really good idea. It's not going to break your knuckles, it's not going to cause you any problems. Make sure you check out that video. And guys, for more self-defense content, please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone.
Gracias amigos.